Good afternoon, Paul's Plantscapes friends and followers. A couple of weeks ago I posted a video at the beginning of this job where we put this retaining wall in and new paving, and this is the final result. And we put a new braai stand up. We also put some coping and cladding on this little retaining wall. Also just made the step a little bit smaller, a little bit neater. So I think it turned out fairly well. Everyone's happy with it. We did a bit of landscaping here, put a couple of aloes with a bench. Anyway, we will be back to seal the pavers in a week or two's time. Thank you very much.